Welcome to Paytm Money. This video will show you how to create a good till triggered order which helps you automate your trading. First, select the stock you want to trade, like NTPC. On the stocks page, tap Create GTT. Enter the trigger price, the price at which your order will be activated. Then, enter the quantity of shares. You can set a specific limit price or place it at market. Once the details are set, tap on Create GTT instruction. A GTT order remains active for up to 1 year. This means you don't need to monitor the stock every day. To view your active GTT orders, go to the Orders section and tap the GTT tab. You can also modify or cancel your GTT instructions from here. GTT orders are a powerful tool to automate your trading and execute trades at your desired price.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.